Okay, this is haoyu. So I find this animation to be strange, both because it's very slow and floaty, but I found the video reference you did to be strange because it was almost like you were doing video reference to try and match this strange animation where someone was walking with their arms straight up to their side and jumping up and down, which is very strange, but the timing doesn't match. But this, you should move like a normal person moves. This is a very strange video reference and a very strange animation. You should, just stand up out of a chair or take a step or lift an object or, do something a person does. But what you have this character doing is not what a person or even a cartoon character would normally do. So I don't know exactly what you're trying to express or get at here. It was difficult to open your file because you aren't working inside of a My Project folder. I have gone over this repeatedly. Let's do it again. Here's the outline. In Module 1, the very first module, on page 6, it goes over setting up and using projects. And you need to create a My Project folder. It's all covered in this video. It's all explained in these text and images. You need to put your scenes files in the scenes directories. You need to put your texture images in the source images directory of that project folder. In your case, you have files all over the place. So here's what came out of um, the archive scene. You've got some stuff in program files. You have some things in project 1. You have some things in user. In user, you have stuff under documents, under Maya, projects, but then nothing's actually in there but some images which aren't even in the source images directory. So you've got a few images there. You've got some images under Mudbox. You've got some stuff in downloads. You've got um, some things under something called Project 1 under an image folder. You've got, so you have files literally spread all over the place. You need to get all of your scene files in the scenes directory of the project folder you're working in, and all of the texture images in the source images directory of the project you're working in. If you go back in the outline to Module 1, page 6, it goes over this in detail. Please watch this video and read this text and organize your project. I really don't want to get another submission from you where you have files spread all over the place. If I had to pick one single thing that you got out of this class, it would be that you organize your files in a project folder according to the way you're supposed to work in Maya and according to this Module 1, page 6. The next thing is that you're meant to reference your character rig into your scene. So that is on Module 11, page 11. Prepare your scene. And it says, your rig scene should be clean with no unnecessary nodes, no keyframes, and all the controls are default position. Make sure your is clean as well before starting animation. Your set's clean, and then when you're ready to bring the rig into the set, you should be using referencing. Okay, so please review this, and so you should really start over, have your rig file separate and clean, have your set separate and clean, and reference the rig into the scene. It's all covered here, and there's a video, I believe, as well. There is not a video, but if you need video, we can go over that as well. You just do file, create reference, um, and bring it into the scene. So if you have any questions, let me know, but you should be referencing your character into the scene. And this is how, if you want to bring a reference video in, which is a different thing, um, but you should have a clean version of your rig and reference it into the scene. And then again, the animation you're doing makes no sense to me. Maybe you can explain it, but I don't know why he's moving super slow, and don't tell me you've animated anything. The good thing is you did not animate the main control. But yeah, I think you need to reshoot your reference or find some other reference of a character doing something that a person would actually do.